Replace window regulator.
To remove the window regulator, first remove the door panel. Link to this in the info card or description. Then carefully remove the insulation film on the inside, enough to allow good access to the window regulator. Lower the side window until you have access to the two screws, Torx 30, and can detach the side window from the window regulator. Then either pull the side window upwards and secure it with adhesive tape. Or remove it completely. To do so, pull the inner slot strip upwards. It is only plugged. Once you have removed the slot strip, you can pull the side window upwards out of the door. The lower two nuts of the window regulator are clearly visible. The top one is hidden under the foil. Unplug the window regulator and loosen the three nuts. If the side window has not been completely removed, the top nut must be removed completely. Once the nuts have been loosened or unscrewed, the window regulator can be removed from the door. When assembling, remember to spray the interior of the door with cavity protection. Then spray the outer part of the door with spray adhesive and stick the film back on.
Replace window switch.
The window switches are located in the center console above the gear lever. Pull the gear lever bellows upwards. It is only plugged. There are 3 screws, Torx 20, underneath. 2 on the top. And first on the right side, slightly below. Next, remove the cover above the switch console. This is also only plugged in. Remove the 2 screws underneath, Torx 20. To make things easier, Remove the cover on the underside of the left footwell a little further. First remove the screw and then the small cover. And then one screw of the center console itself. Now you can pull the center console forward a bit. And finally remove the switch console upwards. Now you have good access to the individual switches. Unplug the switch to be replaced. And free the switch itself from the console. It is hooked on top and bottom. When assembling, simply follow all steps backwards. To program the window regulators, hold the switch up for about 10 seconds with the ignition on. And then about 10 seconds at the bottom. That's it. All the important links are in the description. Good luck with your DIY project.